So hey guys, welcome back. So Xiaomi is all set to win the race by launching the ultra flagship beast, Xiaomi Mi 12. This phone will bring best of the best high-end features that are available in the market right now. Many crazy new updates are coming about the device, on which we'll talk in a bit. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get daily new information and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. As we all know that Qualcomm is officially launching its new high-end flagship CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 on November 30th. Now after the launch, reports are suggesting Xiaomi Mi 12 will be the first smartphone with this new flagship beast. Now Xiaomi has done this many times before by launching their smartphone as early as possible so that they can beat the competition pretty easily. Now Snapdragon 898 is a powerful CPU, but the thing is, this time gaming part will be the main improvement of it. Adreno 730 GPU is expected to offer at least 30 to 35% performance boost to this smartphone, which means playing games on this phone will be smooth experience. Games like PUBG, Call of Duty and many more can be played on over 60 FPS with the best setting possible. On the other hand, the phone will offer a large 6.8-inch display with 1440p resolution, AMOLED panel with 1 billion colors and 120Hz high refresh rate. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection on the front side, ceramic back design with metal frame, so the build quality will be up to the mark. The display will be bright enough even in the outdoors. The visibility will be great with 1700 nits peak brightness. So all in all, you will get the best display experience out of this phone. Xiaomi Mi 12 gonna have triple camera lenses on the back, in which main primary shooter will be 200 megapixel Samsung sensor with optical image stabilization, ultra wide lens for the wide angle photos and a 8 megapixel telephoto camera for long range shots. Of course, Xiaomi is adding this huge 200 megapixel sensor just to get publicity and to attract more buyers, but we'll get to know more about this sensor, how well it can perform, only after the launch of this smartphone. The phone is also set to have massive 5000 mAh battery with huge 120 watt fast wired charging, 100 watt wireless fast charging, which is definitely the best combination in the smartphone market right now. You can literally charge up your phone pretty fast in about 15 minutes from 0 to 100%, which is super crazy. So that's all guys, this is the Xiaomi Mi 12. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question related to this smartphone. If you end up liking this information, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more daily tech updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.